So, good morning everybody. Dad had me come out early and then he wasn't quite ready for me. And in between me running to town for some stuff and coming back, Dad's placed the floor. So we're going to work on putting that front plate on today.
You're going to go to the other side.
Yeah.
Take your camera.
So what's the plan here
We're gonna
today?
hold this up like this,
Yeah,
and I'm going to cut the slot
okay,
so that will fit into here, right?
okay,
For the brake pedal, or for the throttle and the brake.
okay,
But I have to have it like this to draw out what to cut, eh?
okay. So that's what we're doing here today. And I'm going to put down the phone. So I had to run to town for parts 3 times, and Dad finally managed to get the one piece in so far, but we're gonna have to fit this other piece in now. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the other side here. So Dad's cut out the chunk there because we're gonna put the blower motor heater in, so we're gonna get that into place right away. So Dad's got the one piece in, and he just tacked the other piece. And we're looking from the front here.
In place,
Okay.
and then this part here is tacked into place, and this actually sits here,
Yeah.
and then the plywood will go in here to cover it like this side.
Yeah.
I gotta cut this out yet, but I needed it all together to tack it,
Okay.
and then the heater will fit right in there.
Okay. And the heater that I'll show you guys right away what it looks like. And Dad's gonna have to make a brace in behind here for it to sit on. And so it's another day or two on this yet. And he'll figure something out here. He always does. But this is the kind of stuff that it's right at the end that,
They butchered all this out,
yeah,
so I have to fill that in here somehow or other.
yeah,
And then I gotta anchor this. Anyway, that's it.
yeah. Okay, so Dad's gonna do that. I'll show you guys what the blower motor heater looks like, so you get it. It's a short video today, but that's what Dad's was doing all day. So this is the new blower motor heater, and these were actually pretty hard to come by, guys. So the hoses go in here, and then Dad has to hook up all the wiring. So that's, I guess, facing the occupant in the cab, and then this is all in the back. And we got these out of Princess Auto, but we only got 2 of them, and then we found there was absolutely no more stock. And then the next customer got his from Jegs. This one's 32,000 BTU, and the other customer that's coming in next got his I think it's 40,000 BTU. But believe it or not, pretty hard to find, guys. So like everything, parts is just hard to find. Tired Puckatawagan garbage dog in the shop. Really tired. Hard day out in the rain. And then our old black dog neighbor here, he's had a rough day too.
And he doesn't want to be out in this weather. Rheumatism.
Yeah.